Vitamin D crisis. 11 shocking signs. Did you know that 1 in 3 adults are walking around with a silent deficiency? That's sabotaging their energy, mood, and immunity, and yet, most people have no idea their health is at risk. Today, we're diving into the 11 shocking signs your body is screaming for vitamin D and what you can do today to fix it before it's too late. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a simple, 3-step routine that reversed my own deficiency in just 30 days and the #1 mistake people make when taking supplements. In countries like the US, Canada, and the UK, vitamin D deficiency has reached epidemic proportions. It's true, and the consequences are far more serious than you might think. Chronic low levels of vitamin D can lead to suffering, early disease onset, and even premature death. But here's the good news. It's also one of the easiest deficiencies to fix once you know what to look for. Let's explore 11 surprising signs that your vitamin D levels might be dangerously low. 1. Bone pain that feels deep. Ever press on your shin or ribs and feel a deep ache? This could be a red flag for vitamin D deficiency. This happens because vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, and without it, your body steals calcium from bones, leaving them brittle, weak, and painful. If left untreated, it can lead to osteomalacia in adults and rickets in children, conditions that cause severe bone softening. If you've broken a bone from a minor fall, this is your wake-up call. 2. Chronic fatigue that coffee can't fix. Exhausted even after 8 hours of sleep. Chronic fatigue is one of the most overlooked symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D powers your mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells. A study found 90% of fatigued people were D deficient. If you're stuck in a midday slump, this could be why. 3. Mood swings and depression. Feeling down for no reason. Vitamin D controls serotonin, your happiness hormone. Low D equals higher risk of seasonal depression and panic attacks. 4. Slow healing and frequent infections. Cuts taking weeks to heal. Catching every cold. Vitamin D is your immune system's commander. Without it, your body can't fight viruses or repair tissues. Bonus red flag: night sweats. Your immune system is overheating, trying to compensate. 5. Muscle weakness and stiffness. Struggling to stand up from a chair. Vitamin D fuels muscle strength by regulating calcium, and a deficiency can cause persistent muscle weakness and cramps, especially in your legs and shoulders. Low levels equals weak legs, stiff knees, and even waddling when you walk. Pro tip: squat down and stand up. If it's tough, vitamin D might be the missing piece. 6. Hair loss and skin problems. Losing hair or noticing split nails. Vitamin D activates hair follicles and keratin production. A study found women with low D had 3 times more hair thinning. If your ponytail's getting thinner, D might be the culprit. It's also linked to eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin, so if you've been struggling with these issues, vitamin D might be the culprit. 7. Insomnia and restless sleep. Tossing and turning. Vitamin D regulates your circadian rhythm. Low levels disrupt melatonin production, leaving you wired at night. Fix your D, and you might ditch the sleep aids. 8. Head sweating. This bizarre symptom, especially common in infants, can indicate critically low vitamin D levels. 9. High blood pressure and heart issues. Studies show that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to have high blood pressure and a higher risk of heart disease. That's because vitamin D helps regulate blood vessel function and reduces inflammation. If you're dealing with high blood pressure or unexplained cardiovascular issues, checking your vitamin D levels is a smart move. 10. Dizziness and brain fog. Feeling spaced out? Vitamin D protects nerves and brain cells. Low levels are tied to vertigo and slow decision making. If you're forgetting names or losing focus, check your D. 11. Cravings and weight gain. Always hungry? Vitamin D boosts leptin, the hormone that tells your brain you're full. Low D equals constant cravings and insulin resistance. One study linked obesity to 35% higher deficiency rates. But wait, there's more. Vitamin D isn't just another vitamin. It's a hormone that influences about 10% of all your genes. It's involved in everything from bone health to mood regulation, from immune function to muscle strength. So, how can you boost your vitamin D levels? Here's my 3-step approach. 1. Sun exposure. 15 to 30 minutes daily, no sunscreen. The best time? Midday, when the sun is strongest. Safe, moderate sun exposure is the most natural way to produce vitamin D, but for many of us, especially in northern latitudes, it's not always possible to get enough. 2. Diet. Focus on vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens, fortified mushrooms and grass-fed butter. However, diet alone is often not enough to correct a deficiency. 3. Supplementation. If you need to supplement, choose vitamin D3 over D2. D3 plus K2 for better absorption, 10,000 U per day for 3 months. Look for an oil-based gel cap, preferably with olive oil as the carrier. Avoid soybean or canola oil-based supplements. Remember, the standard blood tests only measure inactive vitamin D. The real action happens inside your cells, where vitamin D plays a crucial role in countless bodily functions. Don't let vitamin D deficiency silently undermine your health. Take action today. Get your levels checked, make lifestyle changes, and if necessary, start supplementing under medical supervision. Your body will thank you with improved energy, stronger bones, a more robust immune system, and potentially even a sunnier outlook on life. If this information has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing health tips, and share this video with friends and family who might benefit. Together, we can combat this silent epidemic and build a healthier, happier community. Until next time, stay healthy and vitamin D lightful.